Father in heaven, I come before you this morning with a heart that longs for healing, restoration, and peace. As the sun rises and light fills the day, let your divine light also rise within me, touching every broken place, every weary thought, and every hidden pain. I surrender this new day into your hands, asking that you wash over me with your mercy and power. Let every breath I take today carry the reminder that you are my healer, my strength, and my refuge. Where there is sickness in my body, speak life. Where there is heaviness in my spirit, release peace. Where there is confusion in my mind, bring clarity and calm like a river flowing gently through my soul. Lord, I ask for healing in every part of my being. Heal what I cannot explain, what I have tried to hide, and what I have carried silently for too long. Touch my body from head to toe and restore every weak place with your divine strength. Let every cell, every organ, and every system align with the order of your perfect design. I believe that nothing is too hard for you, and that your power flows even now, reaching into the deepest places where human hands cannot go. Let your healing virtue flow like living water, washing away pain, disease, and discomfort. Father, heal my heart from emotional wounds. Heal the memories that still ache, the disappointments that still linger, and the fears that still whisper in the dark corners of my mind. Replace every broken memory with your peace. Where there has been sorrow, plant joy. Where there has been rejection, plant assurance that I am loved by you. Let my heart not be controlled by what has hurt me, but by the truth of your love that never fails and never changes. Teach me to breathe again without fear, to trust again without hesitation, and to love again without pain holding me back. Lord, heal my mind from anxiety and unrest. Every thought that rises against your peace, I bring it under your authority. Silence every voice that speaks fear, failure, or confusion over my life. Let my thoughts be renewed by your word and anchored in your truth. When worries try to overwhelm me, remind me that you are already in my tomorrow. When doubts try to shake me, remind me that you are faithful yesterday, today, and forever. Let my mind rest in the assurance that I am held securely in your hands. Father, I also pray for healing in my surroundings and everything connected to me. Let your presence fill my home, my work, my relationships, and every path I walk today. Remove anything that brings harm and replace it with peace and favor. Let every step I take today be guided by your wisdom. Protect me from unseen dangers, protect me from emotional harm, and protect me from anything that seeks to steal my peace. Lord, I receive strength for this morning. Strength to rise above weakness, strength to overcome pain, and strength to move forward even when I feel fragile. Let your strength be made perfect in my weakness. I declare that I will not be defeated by what I feel, but I will be lifted by what I believe. I believe that you are healing me even now, working silently, powerfully, and completely in ways I cannot yet see. Father, let this healing not only touch me but overflow into others around me. Let my life become a testimony of your restoring power. Let those who see me recognize that I am walking under your grace. Teach me to carry gratitude even in the process, to trust even when I don't understand, and to praise you even while I am waiting for full manifestation. I thank you for this morning. I thank you for breath, for life, and for the unseen healing already in motion. I believe that today is not just another day, but a day of divine restoration. Let every hour bring me closer to wholeness. Let every moment remind me that I am being renewed, rebuilt, and revived by your hand. I place myself completely in your care, trusting that you are the God who heals, the God who restores, and the God who never fails. Let your healing power rest upon me now and remain with me throughout this day. In your presence I find life. In your presence I find healing. In your presence I am made whole. Amen.